So because we only have few days here, yesterday we've been cleaning all the grass and uncovered our small veggie patch here. You can see our arugula is thriving. I honestly didn't know that arugula is perennial plant. I thought they cut it and after that you have to replant it. But our neighbor here suggested that we have to take just the big leaves and it will keep growing. So what we did, and this is from the last autumn, see, we already have arugula for salad. Our Chinese cabbage is also doing well. We think to leave the garden open because the weather is unusually hot for February. It's February right now. And our radicchio is also very well growing. We also have been planting few winter kinds of veggies like radishes, carrots, a bit of sweet pea, and it's written on the package that you can plant it in January, February under cover, but the weather is enough warm, so we think to leave it like that and see what will happen eventually when we come back in a few weeks. We might have some fresh veggies started growing. Here we have very good garlic. It's some French kind we bought last autumn, and we put few of these. They were protected during winter. Over there we have the same garlic that grows on open space and it's far smaller. This one is ready and I think we'll take few of these with us because we love them fresh. So in these two small beds we planted things that cannot stand 0 degrees, and we hope to find something grown under this winter cover. We finally removed our biggest bed. This was our first bed we made here. It was quite unsuccessful experiment. The soil does not drain well in this part, so now we removed everything, and these two small piles of soil we planted few pumpkins. Let's see if something happens because that soil was still there and we didn't know what to do with it, so we left it there. Our strawberries here are doing quite well. They have lots of flowers and these are the kind that give fruit all year round. I hope they will grow a bit more and we can replant these parts of them that are overgrown. We also planted flowers from seeds. Don't know if it will be okay, but we still have the seeds from last year from our plants, so we try to use them as much as possible. And here I planted corn, which is that kind that can be planted in February. Also some sweet pea that requires net and it grows very high, so if it grows we'll put it on the fence and it blossoms really pretty, so it will be like a decorative plant here. Here we made, on this part, we made another kind of bed. We have very steep soil here, so we dug a bit and put the bed a bit inside in the soil, and we add a bit of compost and cover it, so it will be ready to plant some things in April, May when we are back. And we also put this black cover to block the grass from growing, because every time we are not here for a few weeks, the grass overgrows everything and you cannot find anything until you start cutting the grass. So we hope with this cover we'll see where the bed is. For now we don't manage to grow many things in our garden because we have to travel a lot, and as you know, veggies and things you plant require your attention, require to water them, to remove grass. But still, even then, we almost don't buy salads from the supermarket because we have lots of arugula, because we have lots of radicchio growing. So we are happy with the result till now, but we'll try to develop this garden. We only bought the house in 2022 and planted just few things. Still, we both enjoying gardening, so I hope we can show you more of our gardening experiments in the next videos.